Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make oven-baked chicken patties. They are really easy to make and super delicious. I hope you like them. Remember, you will find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Here I have the ground cornflakes and the flour and 2 eggs. Now we're going to season all this with a pinch of all the seasonings. Remember, I'm using salt, pepper, crushed red pepper, a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder. You want to season every layer so the chicken will have a really nice flavor. So I seasoned the ground cornflakes with salt, pepper, crushed red pepper, garlic powder and onion powder. To this we will also add in half a teaspoon of chicken flavor bouillon seasoning. Then stir well until it's well combined and then set aside for a minute. Over here I have the flour and I also season it with salt, pepper, crushed red pepper, onion powder and garlic powder. And to this I will also add in a little bit of chicken flavor bouillon seasoning. I'm going to be adding just a pinch, less than a teaspoon. After you add this, give it a stir and then also set it aside for a minute. Now over here I have the eggs. Now we're going to beat them together until they are well beaten. And then just set them aside for a minute. Here I have the chicken patties. Now we're going to flour them. That means we're going to cover them with the flour mixture on all sides. Make sure they are well coated with the flour on all sides. And then after that we're going to tap them a little bit to remove the excess flour. And just keep on repeating this step until you have all the patties covered with the flour. Then we're going to dip the chicken patties into the beaten egg. Make sure to cover the patties with the egg mixture on all sides. Then we're going to shake them a little bit to remove the excess egg. And then after that we're going to transfer the patty into the cornflakes mixture. Now we're going to cover the patties with the cornflakes mixture on all sides. Make sure to press down the cornflakes mixture onto the patty so it will stick to it. And then we're just going to keep on repeating these steps until you have all the patties done. Remember, first we cover the patties with the flour and then we dip them in the egg mixture. And then finally we're going to transfer them and we're going to cover them with the cornflakes mixture. Here I have them all done. Now we're going to place them on a baking sheet. And the sheet is lined with parchment paper for easy cleaning. So after you place the patties in a baking sheet, now we're going to spray the patties with cooking spray. And now we're going to bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they are well cooked and they are nice and golden brown on all sides. After 25 minutes, this is how they look. As you can see, they have a beautiful color and they are looking very crunchy now, so they are ready. Now you can serve them. And you can either serve the patties with some rice and veggies to make a healthier meal, or just place them in a bun to make a delicious hamburger. I'm going to serve my chicken patties in a bun. So here I have the buns. I already tossed them a little bit and then I spread them with a little bit of mustard and mayonnaise. I use chipotle mayonnaise, but feel free to use whatever dressing that you like. And then after that you can add whatever else you want into your hamburger. I added some lettuce. And then on top of the lettuce I placed the chicken patty and then I just top it with some cheese. I also added some tomato slices, onion slices, some bacon, and of course I also added some pickled jalapenos. And that's about it. This one is so scrumptious. I really hope you like it. Enjoy! To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!